To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. Unclip the filter housing door. Remove the two fasteners. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF39156 filter into the housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the filter housing door. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.